a rolling pin or a PVC pipe to throw plates consistently and quickly is a trend I've seen done by several people. I've been throwing plates large and small using this technique for the better part of a year, and I want to show you how I do it. Before I start throwing, I set my laser level to hit the wheel exactly at the width I want my plate. Next, I center the clay. This does not need to be perfect, but I like it to be really close. The flatter the top and the wider you make the clay, the easier the next step will be. I make sure my PVC pipe and the clay are wet. I also want to say that for best results, have your PVC pipe smaller than the splash pan. That way you're not inhibited, you don't bump into it. You'll press down on both sides of the PVC pipe evenly. Keep pressing until the clay passes the laser light that measures the edge of the plate. Then using a cutting tool, I'll cut off the excess clay using the laser light as a guide. Using a wet wooden knife tool, I raise up the edge of the plate. And next, I'll take that raised up portion and form a lip for the plate and form it into whatever shape I want it to be. I'll then add any details on the rim and clean that up, and then wire trim the plate and remove it to dry. When it's leather hard, I will trim the plate, give it a foot, a bit of a swirl and my stamp, and it's ready to be fired.